Hello, you guys. A long time no see. How are you? Yo, is this weather popping or is this weather popping? Yo, yesterday was a lot of sexual energy. I'm like, oh, mating season has kicked in. A lot of testosterone and estrogen were. I was like, oh, I gotta stay inside a little more. I gotta hide. I gotta fucking, stay under my rock a little bit and shit. Coming out feeling like I'm a piece of meat and all of that. So what's goody with y'all, yo? I missed y'all for real. Yes, we gonna tap into these messages, but yeah, man, it's springtime. That out with the old, in with the new. You know what I mean? Continuing that Pisces season. Happy birthday to y'all. It's my celebrity crush's birthday today, and we the same age. And let me stop. So, what's been going on behind the scenes, y'all? Yo, I've been definitely thinking about making a reading and doing a personal one and showing y'all what the real is in my life and shit, just in case anybody going through what I'm going through, y'all can resonate with me and all of that shit. Lets you know that the other readings that I do is general as fuck. But I've been thinking about that. I've been playing with that idea, so we'll never know. But I just want to thank God, that we here to see another day, and another day to get closer to our destinies as we walk upon this path of least resistance, right? Because we're not trying to, be hesitant to the things that we want and need in life, right? And that's what it's all about. Faith and no worries. So, whoa, okay, but I'm splitting the deck over here. And you counterpart, you know what I'm saying? Queen of Cups, Judgment in the reverse, and I don't know, because I did a video 3 minutes on TikTok, and the first one to come out was the King of Cups. Yeah, you heard me shuffling like a motherfucker. So, but he was in the reverse. Okay, so somebody here. This seems a little weird. It's like somebody is emotionally fulfilled either while a feminine energy is being narrow-minded and lost the opportunity, or someone's happy that someone lost an opportunity because of their narrow-mindedness. Okay? It could be a couple. It could be someone's masculine side is fulfilled while their feminine side is being a little narrow-minded, which is causing them to lose opportunities. So there may be some next level spiritual growth here. Okay, so before we was dealing with communication and emotions, and now this is all about that bread. So someone knows that they're generous about something. Someone knows that they're generous. And it seems like this is the reason why this Four of Swords is here. They know that they're generous. And they know that they can balance out their time. I'll move that for you guys. You can see. Shout out to the 420s out there in the world. Know what I mean? Medicinal and recreational purposes. You already know I'm in the New York State, so don't come at me like it's illegal. Alright, just had to say that. But I feel like somebody here knows that they're generous with their time and with their wealth. And that's why they're kind of holding back. That's why they're not taking any kind of action right now. It does seem like somebody knows their worth. Okay, okay, 10 of Wands here. Spirit is saying yo, they work hard. They work hard, and You know what I'm saying? Sometimes they work a little too hard. Maybe you got a workaholic over here. But somebody knows that they're going to fight to the end with something. That's just their nature. That's just how they move. Okay? That Wands being there. And it's like, fuck around if you want to, but I'm going to be good either way type of energy. That's what I'm feeling. Like, you could have all the money in the world. You could have all the material possessions in the world. You could have the family. You could have the friends. You could have the fucking wardrobe. You could have all that. You know what I mean? But it doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to give into that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know my worth. And I know that I can get... Somebody's definitely fucking reflecting on themselves. Absolutely. Like, I know that I can get so caught up into someone because I've gotten caught up into things that I like the most. Even with things that, if I liked them anyway, that wasn't necessarily good for me, I was still, there fighting till the end type shit. Being there till the wheels fall off. So I'm not necessarily going to jump into something. Okay, you may think that this is one way, Queen of Swords in the reverse here, and you may think that I'm losing out, Seven of Cups in the reverse here, but no, I'm a 6 of coin, 2 of coin, type of person. Generous, and you know what I mean? And when there's a will, there's a way, and that's my thing. Like, nothing's going to stop me from getting to where I'm going. You understand what I'm saying? Absolutely. Yup. Ugh, I love that these 2 fucking cards came out after that. Look at that shit. Look at that. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Alright, you're not gonna make somebody feel like just because you said, you know what I mean, out of all the billions of people in the world, just because you said something was going to happen doesn't mean that it's going to stop me, okay? I'm in it for the long haul, right? I don't care what people say. I'm persistent in my shit. Plus, I gets busy. I does this. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not going to tell me left from right. You not. Like I was born yesterday type shit. Especially if I seen you getting right from left wrong. You understand what I'm saying? You're not gonna tell me something when I seen you fumble. You bugging. You bugging. Especially if I got the training to play that. Man, listen. Nah, I'm feeling the energy. I'm feeling this energy just because it's like somebody need to hear that just because they dangling something in somebody's face, like you're kind of making it seem they're not considering the beneath the surface part. You understand? They're looking at the fucking material. They're looking at the physical plane. You understand? You're not dangling something over my head because you think that I need it. You know what I'm saying? Or you think that I can't live without it. That's just a no-no. That's only making me not be interested in you. Because not only do I know that I could get these things on my own, you're not going to tell me that I can't get them without you. Like, you insulted my intelligence. You're kind of putting someone in the frequency of doubting themselves, and that's why this 7 of Wands was here. Persistence against the naysayers. Going to the beat of their own drum. I does this. 8 of Coins over here. I does this. Wow. What else we got? It's gonna come to find out that this person is fucking self-absorbed like a motherfucker. You know what's crazy? In my head, I was thinking, wait, there's 7, there's 8, there's 10. Where the fuck is the 9? The 9 is right here. Asking you shall receive. Yo, it's gonna come to surface that someone here is self-absorbed, and they were kind of like, making shit happen. Oh, boy. Oh, they trying to keep up with you. So they try to like, emotionally, you know what I mean? Try to put you in a frequency, and that's their magic. That's their juju. Trying to fuck with your emotional state of being in order for you to doubt yourself, in order for you, to, I guess, step in line with their regimen. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. What else? Done. Done. Empress card. Here we go. You above all this bullshit. You above all this bullshit. Y'all, my people, I love y'all. Peace and love. Oh, they want me to keep going. They want me to keep going. How much time do I got on this thing? They want me to keep going. They want me to keep going. I don't know if I can keep going. I don't know if I can keep going. Not with that one. Let's go with the juicy fruit. Let's go with the juicy fruit. See what the juicy fruit got. Let's see what the juicy fruit got. Because we already got... Feel me? Feel me? They fake as fuck. You feel me? Yo, Spirit is coming through on this one. Spirit is coming through on this one. Be aware of your surroundings, my friend. Okay? Because there's anything, any fucking little thing. I feel like this person, like got tabs on your shit. You know what I'm saying? On you, your movement, your fucking thoughts. I feel like this person kept an eye out on you, right? This shit is wild, bodega. They got an eye out on you, for real, just so they could see what level they're gonna play with you at. Wow. Wow, personal space, please. Yo, they not giving you personal space. I'm dead ass. Wow, and that's wild, bodega. That's wild, bodega. They not respecting you. They got their eye out. Yep, return to sender, please. You want to invade my personal space? Watch. Spirit gonna come through and make sure you not comfortable. You gonna feel claustrophobic in open spaces. Trying to tell you. What? Your superpower is being yourself. It's that Empress, baby. It's that Empress. Yep, they can't touch you. Return to sender in the reverse. They can't touch you. That's why. Superpowers yourself. Yep, they try to fuck with you with this dark cloud. Nope. They try to get you beside yourself. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yo, I was going to stop this video. Yep, they a sly fox. They a sly fox. Yep, trying to bring a dark cloud, trying to be slick. It's like a motherfucker pretending they crippled, knowing the whole time they alright. And they want help, and when help is refused, they get pissed. They play out the role. It's crazy. Yup, lies and deceptions. I'm trying to tell you, this motherfucker's a sly fox. Listen, I miss y'all so much. Spirit say you gonna come through with a bang. Yup, you real with your shit, but they real fucked up. Real fucked up. You feel me? You understand what I'm trying to tell you? Artificial, real fake. You know what? That's it. That's it. They real fake. Y'all, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'd muchly appreciate it. Because I come through with some real for y'all. And it makes me feel so good that I know that there are people watching and waiting for this, okay? And for those who don't watch yet, I'm new, I get that. But at the same token, for my circle that I do be promoting my channel to, I guess y'all not energetically aligned to come view this. And when y'all are, I'll catch you on the flip. Until then, my loves. Peace and love.